Hey guys, so today what I'll be doing is talking to you about CareerShift. CareerShift is one of the resources that we have on our career development website, and so what CareerShift is all about is it's a job searching platform where you could find companies, specific jobs, reach out to employers, and many other things that have to do with finding a career for yourself. So what we have here today is when you open the CareerShift um, dashboard. So what you'll see on the left side is the job searching where you can manage those searches, saving those searches. Down below, I'm going to click on contacts, and it's the same kind of format. But what's really cool is you could search for specific contacts. You can save contacts for who are recruiters, employers, things in that nature. So let me close those for a sec. And then below that are companies. So you could search specific companies if you're interested in um, finding a specific job from companies. A lot of people like doing this, and so I think this is a really cool tool to use. Another one are the documents. So these are the documents where you want to use to enhance your profile. So things like your resume, things like specific supplements such as writing pieces, accomplishments you want to show off, things like that. Down below are your campaigns, so that goes hand in hand with your documents too. Your calendar, which is pretty cool and neat because it allows you to set specific dates for when things are due. So say like a job that you find online and the application is due on a specific date, you could save that on your calendar and it'll notify you for when it's due. Settings and help and just generic things that are below the calendar that come with every other platform. So yeah, so what I'll be doing today is giving you an example of a search for a hypothetical internship. And so what I'll be doing today is just looking for a marketing internship. And what's pretty cool is that there's a bunch of different functions here when it comes to the searching options. It gives you the option to look for all the keywords that you typed in. So if you have that listed, it'll only give you those keywords. So if I were to type in marketing, marketing internship, it'll only show up the jobs that have marketing internship listed um, on their listings. If I were to type in any words, it would give me things that have marketing, or it would give me things that have internships. You could also search with the company name, and then down below it gives you the options to search for specific areas where you're trying to look for. If you're trying to look for something relatively close to your hometown, you could type that in. If you want to do a little bit of an advanced search, that can give you even more options where you could see the specific job type, a specific salary that you're looking for, a specific experience, which a lot of people um, are always curious about, and the job source, things in that nature. So if you do want to even specific further narrow down your options, you could do that with the advanced search. So let me just do it pretty broad and just type in and see what comes up with marketing. So you can see down below, there's a bunch of different marketing options. So you see marketing is right there, marketing internships. Um, so it gives you a whole list of internships that are pretty much based where you want to look for specifically. I didn't put a specific location, but for this instance, what I'm just doing is showing you all the different options that come with it. You could find specific contacts for a specific employer. You could be able to share this job posting. So if you know somebody that's looking for a marketing internship, then you could share that with them, and you could even save this job for later. So if you're not fully sold on an internship, or if you find one that you might be liking, you could save it for later, which is pretty cool and neat. Um, so what I'll be doing too is also showing you what the company search looks like too, because I find this like a really cool tool to use where you don't where you're looking for specific companies, because a lot of people, when they are looking for a job, they want to make sure they're in the right company as opposed to just finding the right job, because ultimately doing this is very important. So what you could do with the company is you could type in a specific keyword like before, or if you don't know a specific keyword, what you could do is search for industries. So going back to that marketing idea, what we could do is type in, or right there actually, is advertising and marketing. And what we could do is even search by the company size. So if you want to search by this company size, you could do that. You could do that there. But for now, what we'll do is just use the location. So I'm going to let's put Rochester, New York, and let's see what pops up. So right off the bat, it gives you a whole list of companies that have to do with marketing and advertising, which is pretty cool. And it gives you a brief overview about what the company's all about. It gives you the website, a contact information, and even the city and location. So I think this is a really cool tool to use because many platforms that are online, like LinkedIn and Handshake, don't have this resource where you could find a specific company, and then from there you could find out what jobs they have available for you. Um, and just like the job searching platform for Career Handshake, for CareerShift, sorry, it gives you the company jobs, it gives you the company contacts, it gives you the details of the company, and it allows you to save this company. So if you were, let's say, you find Atomic Design to be the right company for you right here, what I'll do is save it, and then you could save it to a specific folder. So my campaigns, my documents, what you want to do is put it under your companies, and then save it for a specific folder. I'll put this under marketing, and what I'll do is save it, and now it's successfully saved. So what you have now is, if you go scroll all the way back up under your save searches, or we'll go to manage actually, it'll be right over here. So you'll see Atomic Design, and if you stumble upon it again, then you'll be able to see it saved to it right here. Um, so yeah, this pretty much goes with all the other with such things such as contacts too. Similar to this, what you can do is search for a specific person, and what you can do is be able to reach out to them. And I find these tools pretty handy. You could search by someone's first name and last name, if what school they attended, a specific company. You could search by area, of course, and by doing that, it'll give you the options to choose from there. And you could search by position too. So from this, you could even you type in a specific job title, and it'll allow you to search for specific people that hold those positions. So yeah, that's all for me for today, and I hope this was a useful drop in.